Hi, this is Bob Wetterman from BEST. Today I'd like to introduce you to the IPC A610 standard for printed circuit board assemblies. This inspection standard is the definitive guideline for what printed circuit board assemblies, once assembled, should look like. This standard is full of lots of photographs and diagrams and appendices and summary of different definitions in the industry, and it is the definitive guide used for quality control and inspection of, again, assembled electronics. And this is version H, which just came out in 2020. So it's been Bob Wetterman from BEST talking to you today about the IPC A610 Revision H.